Well, 3 new cases in Wellington today takes the total there to 6. The list of locations of interest in the capital continues to climb, and as Alexa Cook reports, people are feeling nervous.
Wellingtonians out embracing the winter sun as COVID creeps its icy way into the capital and into Newtown's Countdown, one of the latest locations of interest.
Oh, well, that's a bit of a blow.
Oh, okay. It's actually here. Wow.
It's going all over the place. It obviously sucks.
Kilburney's Asian food specialist and PAK'nSAVE are also on the list, plus Air New Zealand flight NZ443 from Auckland to Wellington on Thursday afternoon. Doubters got people on edge.
Kind of scary.
I think nervous like everybody else, but you know, we do what we need to do.
It's a bit unsettling.
We're feeling very shocked.
It's a bit scary for people.
But not too scary for the mayor, who's holding his breath.
So far, it's not too bad, but obviously, you know, time's going to tell.
At least one of the positive cases travelled from Auckland to Wellington in a private car. They stopped 4 times along the way in Tokorua, Waiō-Uru service station and public toilets and bulls. Contact tracers have their work cut out for them.
The majority of those contacts are located in the Auckland and Waikato regions, with a small proportion located in other areas throughout the rest of the North Island and South Island.
The Director General of Health was alerted to the first Wellington cases before 9 o'clock on Friday morning, but there were no locations of interest on the Ministry website until after 6 o'clock last night.
It's been very frustrating waiting for these additional locations to be made public.
And we're balancing putting sometimes what might not be quite accurate information out there more quickly.
One of those locations is Countdown in Johnsonville, where last night shoppers were told to leave immediately so it could close for a deep clean.
We were told that we had to drop what we had and start walking out. And so it was, I was in a little bit of shock afterwards.
Johnsonville's 1841 bar is another location of interest.
400 gram sirloin and a beer for $25 has proven too much of a lure for some people. Here we are.
People hoping they can wave goodbye to the virus in this region soon.
OK, Alexa, how has testing gone in Wellington today?
Well, Tom, testing sites have been under the pump as they try and keep up with demand. It's been especially busy this afternoon as we learned that there were 3 new cases in Wellington and as further locations of interest were released on the Ministry of Health's website. Now here in Hitaitai, this testing centre is open until 9 o'clock tonight, as well as at Sky Stadium's car park where they have a pop-up testing centre open tonight and tomorrow. And there are plenty of other locations across the region to go and get tested, including at Te Papa, Taranaki Street, Lower Hearts and Porirua. Now, when we talk about wastewater testing, well, COVID-19 has been detected in the wastewater off Wellington's south coast at Moore Point, and we're expecting more results from the region later this evening.
Alexa Cook, thanks for the update.